Wasn't ready to be no millionaire, I was ill prepared. I was prepared to be ill though, the skill was there. The beginning, it wasn't about the ends, it was about busting raps and standing for something. Fucking acronym, cut the fucking act like you're happy. I'm fucking back again with another anthem. Why stop when it doesn't have to end? It ain't over till I say it's over, enough when I say enough. Throw me to the wolves and close the gate up. I'm afraid of what'll happen to them wolves when the thought of being thrown into an alligator pit. I salivated it, raiders up, hands up like it's 12 noon. Nah homie, holding bitches straighter up. Wave them to your dislocator, rotator cuff. Came up rough, came to ruffle feathers. Nah, egos, I ain't deflating. My last chance to make this whole stadium in rust. Line with each line that I finish, I'm so close to my goals I can almost pole vault over the goalpost. And if I don't got enough in the tank, maybe I can just siphon enough to fill up this last can. Man, will I survive in this climate or what? They said I was washed up and got a bloodbath. I'm not a rapper, I'm an adapter. I can adjust, plus I can just walk up to a mic and just bust. So floor's open if you'd like to discuss top 5 in this motherfucker. And if I don't make the cut, what, like I give a fuck? I'ma light this bitch off like I'm driving a truck to the side of a pump. 0 to 60, hopping and gunning like G-Unit without the hyphen. I'm hyping them up. And if there should ever come a time where my life's in a rut, and I look like I might just give up, it might have mistook me for bowing out. I ain't taking a bow, I'm stabbing myself with a fucking knife in the gut while I'm wiping my blood. Cause I just shit it on the mic and I like getting cut. I get excited at the sight of my blood. You're in a fight with a nut. Cause I'ma fight till I die, I win. Biting the dust, it'll just make me angrier. Wait, let me remind you of what got me this far. Picture me quitting, now draw a circle around it and put a line through it, smut. It's survival or what? Stack your hammer, but don't come unless you come to battle. Now mount up in the saddle, this is it. It's what you eat, sleep, piss and shit. Live, breathe, your whole existence just consists of this. Refuse to quit, fuse is lit, can't defuse the whip. I don't do this music shit, I lose my shit. Ain't got shit to lose, it's the moment of truth. It's all I know how to do. As soon as I get thrown in the booth, I spit. But my respect is overdue, I'm showing you the flow no one do. Cause I don't know no diploma for school, I quit. So there's nothing for me to fall back on, I know no other trade. So you better trade your fucking mics in for some toolboxes. Cause you'll never take my pride from me. It'll have to be pride from me. So pull out your pliers and your screwdrivers. But I want you to doubt me, I don't want you to believe. Cause this is something that I must use to succeed. And if you don't like me then fuck you. Self-esteem must be fucking shooting through the roof. Cause trust me, my skin is too thick and bulletproof. To touch me, I can see why the
Who are they? Who are they? Who are you? Who are you? Who am I? Tell them I'm Doctor Who. Tell them I'm Doctor Who. Who are they? Who are you? Man, the man came from the jungle. Wild animal, I've never been humble. Summertime festival when I come, dude. When the beat drops, they be looking like a rumble. Bricky boy, I used to run from the feds, and girls wanna ride bold like a ped. Right now, girl, we don't need a bed. I ain't tryna make love, that be messing up my head. 075, yeah, she gave me a line. Keep it on the numbers, say my name is night. If they ask who I am, babe, please tell a lie. I just be the side man that boom, bye bye. In the morning, daytime, even in the night. Anything I say, she be like, that's right. Anything I do, she be like, that's nice. If I really want to, tell them I'm Doctor Who. Tell them I'm Doctor Who. Who are they? Who are you? Tell them I'm Doctor Who. Wicked time travel to my yard. Excited, tell her be calm. I'm a fixer, fix that heart. You can never be sick when you're chilling with me, me and the crew. Pretty hot spice and she likes how I move. Who are they? Who are you? Who am I? Tell them I'm Doctor Who. Who am I? Tell them I'm Doctor Who. Who are they? Who are you?